Hi, welcome to Junction City, Oregon. I'm going to show you this 2019 Arctic Fox made by Northwood 25Y. These guys do it really right. They have really great coaches. This has a lot of nice features to it. A power tongue jack up front, larger propane bottles, your battery location. It's got LED lights up here that independently turn on for lights when you're doing whatever you need to do up here, switching your bottles out. Rock guard, full front cap. Down the side of this, you'll notice we got a nice slide out here. We'll get inside and I'll show you that. There is some storage on the outside of it. It is solar prepped. We do have storage, front pass-through bay that goes all the way through the front of this guy. These guys build a true Four Seasons coach. Let's see here. Let's go around the other side and take a look at some of the good features. So this unit kind of has a rear lounge type layout to it. It does have a dual entry, an entry to the front bedroom here. They do have a 10-gallon water heater on these guys. This also has a nice power awning, good color scheme. Let's go ahead and jump inside and I'll show you around the inside. So it's kind of a rear lounge type. You're going to have your dual chairs here in the back with the nice fishbowl effect with the big windows. And you have a couple spots on either side for end tables. Your dinette is here in the slide out with a big pantry type storage here. TV entertainment. This does have a solar panel on the roof just to trickle charge your batteries. It does have a little fireplace for ambiance and put out a little heat. Solid surface countertops. Your kitchen area, your stove, your bigger refrigerator than most. And then as you make your way up to the front, you kind of have a split area where your bathroom is. So there's an accordion door here. Your toilet's in its own cubby here on this side. And then you have your shower and your sink and your bed, and this has a nice mattress in it, nice closets all the way around, and this has a dual entry, like I said, so there's a stairwell and whatnot for the front door. This guy has fantastic fans in it. There's another curtain you can hang up here so you can kind of isolate the bathroom location if you wanted to, if you're just using that. This unit and any other unit, this is a new unit here. We do sell Northwoods. We sell many other brands here at Junction City at Guaranty RV. My name is Kirk Blair, Captain Kirk. I'm happy to help you in any capacity. Its cell phone is 541-601-8742. Looking forward to helping you. Thank you.